In the bustling landscape of business software, where various platforms offer solutions for accounting, project management, and enterprise resource planning (ERP), it's easy for names to get intertwined. Two prominent players that often come up in these discussions are Sage and Microsoft. Given their significant presence in the business world, a common question arises. Is Sage part of Microsoft? The straightforward answer to this question is a clear and definitive no. Sage and Microsoft are two distinct and independent companies operating in the business software market. While they may sometimes integrate their products or compete in certain segments, they are not part of the same corporate entity. Understanding their separate identities is crucial for businesses navigating the software selection process and for anyone seeking clarity on the structure of the business software industry. To grasp why these two companies are separate, it's helpful to look at their origins and their respective journeys in the technology world. As we discussed previously, Sage has its roots in the United Kingdom, founded in 1981 with a focus on providing accounting software for small and medium-sized businesses. Over the years, Sage has grown organically and through strategic acquisitions, expanding its product portfolio to encompass a wide range of business management solutions, including payroll, CRM, and ERP systems. Its primary focus has consistently been on serving the needs of SMBs across various industries. Microsoft, on the other hand, is a global technology giant with a much broader scope. Founded in the United States in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Microsoft initially rose to prominence with its operating systems like MS-DOS and Windows, and its productivity suite, Microsoft Office. While Microsoft also offers business software solutions, such as Microsoft Dynamics 365, its reach extends far beyond this domain. Microsoft is a major player in areas like cloud computing, with Azure, gaming, with Xbox, and personal computing hardware. The difference in their origins and core focuses highlights why they operate as separate entities. Sage was built from the ground up with a specific emphasis on business management software, primarily for SMBs. Microsoft, while also serving the business market, has a much wider technological footprint and a diverse range of products and services that extend into consumer markets and foundational technology infrastructure. It's understandable why some might wonder if Sage is part of Microsoft. Both companies are well known in the business world and offer software solutions that businesses rely on daily. Furthermore, there are instances where their products integrate or work together. For example, a business might use Sage accounting software and also utilize Microsoft Office 365 for email and document management. These integrations can sometimes blur the lines in the perception of users. However, these integrations are typically the result of strategic partnerships aimed at providing a more seamless experience for mutual customers. It's common for software companies to collaborate and ensure their products can work effectively together, even when they are independent entities. This interoperability benefits businesses by allowing them to choose best-of-breed solutions for different aspects of their operations while maintaining a degree of integration. Another potential source of confusion might stem from the fact that Microsoft also offers its own suite of business management software under the Microsoft Dynamics 365 umbrella. Dynamics 365 competes directly with some of Sage's ERP and CRM offerings. This competitive landscape further underscores their separate identities. They are rivals in certain segments of the market, each striving to provide the best solutions for businesses. Think of it this way. While both Ford and General Motors are major players in the automotive industry, offering different types of vehicles that might even share some common components or integrate with third-party technologies, they remain distinct and competing companies. Similarly, Sage and Microsoft operate in the business software arena, sometimes collaborating for the benefit of their users, but ultimately functioning as independent organizations with their own strategies, product development roadmaps, and corporate structures.